Hi, I'm JB with Madwire, and I want to walk you through our 360-degree core solution that we offer. We have detailed videos on each part of what I'm going to talk about real quick, so don't hesitate to jump into those for more detail. I'm going to take you high level through our solution here real quick so you have an understanding of how it all comes together. So let's take a quick look. First off, our number one focus is to give you a high conversion rate. We are infatuated with conversions. Everything comes down to conversions. That's the only thing that matters. And so that's our core focus. All the things that we do and the whole purpose behind it is to drive you more conversions. And so what we want to do over time is to take your conversion rate and do this with it so that when you look at the traffic coming to your website, you convert a higher percentage of that traffic over time. So initially, maybe you have a 3% conversion rate, and over time, you get closer to a 10% conversion rate. That's going to be a huge difference for you in terms of return on investment, which we also want to increase over time, so that your return on investment initially, if this is the break-even point here, maybe that starts down a little bit and then takes off and increases over time. And that will happen if you increase your conversion rate. So let's talk about how we do that. We have a 360-degree core solution, and that solution, its main focus is inbound marketing. And the reason we focus on inbound marketing is because that is getting you in front of your potential customers at the very second that they're looking for you. Highly relevant, highly targeted, and that will give you a high conversion rate. Outbound marketing is not as effective, and so that is not our core focus. We can offer outbound marketing type of solutions to you. We're a full service marketing and design agency, but our core focus is inbound marketing to drive you the most results. Outbound marketing is basically marketing to people that may or may not be interested, such as a newspaper ad. They see your ad, they may not be interested in your service, whereas inbound marketing is only putting your ad in front of people that are especially interested in your service or your product. And so that's the difference. So what we have is the 360-degree inbound marketing solution that we've developed. In the center of this solution here is our UXI web technology. That's our website platform. Basically, with this system, it adapts to the traffic and refines and optimizes itself over time to drive you more conversions. It's not a set it and forget it model. We build the site, and then based on that, we're going to start driving traffic. Then we'll analyze the data of that traffic, and the website will also pick up on data that's coming into the site, and then we'll make educated decisions and refinements and optimizations to your site in terms of style, color, call to actions, layout, content. All of those things will adapt over time to take more of that traffic coming in and convert more of it into business for you. And so this is a revolving process. That's our UXI system. It's in the middle because all the other pieces out here drive traffic into it. And so that's why it's in the center. The first piece let's take a look at here is natural listing ads. That's our organic piece. That's our SEO sort of piece. If you watch our natural listing ad video, it'll really break down the difference between what we do with natural listing ads and traditional SEO and why it is so much better. But at a high level, we're basically going to optimize the site, which is the UXI site here. Make sure it's keyword rich with all of your content. Search engines love it and index you highly. You start ranking highly for your keywords, which is going to increase your visibility. We're then, with your visibility increasing, going to write your organic ad copy, which is really optimize your meta descriptions and whatnot so that not only are you visible when people are searching for you, but the ad copy is appealing and you're actually getting clicked on. That's what's going to drive you the traffic. And so once the traffic comes into the site, we're going to analyze the traffic and why it is or isn't converting and at what rate and how do we increase the conversion rate of that traffic. Because if you're visible and you're getting traffic but you're not getting conversions, it doesn't do you any good. So now we need to get into the conversion piece. And so then we'll make educated decisions and changes to your organic landing pages. We're going to look at where are you visible and where are you getting the traffic and where is that coming into your site organically, and then how are you converting that traffic and what are those landing pages, and we're going to optimize those pages so that you can get as many conversions as possible organically. That's what we do with our natural listing ads, basically getting you to rank highly for your keywords and gaining traffic and conversions from those keywords organically on search engines like Google and Bing. With social media, we're basically going to brand your Facebook, your Twitter, and your Google Plus page, any other social media that you may have set up. We're going to brand those to match the theming of your UXI website. That's going to build trust and credibility for you. We're also going to optimize those keyword-rich content as well, so you have on-site SEO optimization, which helps tie into your natural listing ads up here. Next, we're gonna manage the top placement ads. Top placement ads is hugely important because that puts you on top. If you want to be visible and grow your business, you want to be on top. And to be on top of Google and Bing for your best keywords is hugely important to you there. So what we're going to do, we're going to drive traffic. We guarantee the top 3 positions on top placement ads when somebody searches for you on both mobile and on desktop. So if somebody searches on their phone, you're right there as well. Now we're then going to analyze the data of that traffic, and then we're going to optimize the ad campaign so that you get more clicks for your visibility. And with those clicks, we're then going to optimize your conversion funnel, which again is optimizing your landing pages on the UXI website system to drive you more conversions. Finally, with retargeting, retargeting is awesome because all the traffic you're getting coming in from the natural listing ads and coming in from the top placement ads and coming in from social media, that traffic isn't converting all the time. And so what remarketing does is it follows those users around on the internet, and as they browse other websites, they see your ad banners. So they visit, the user comes in, they visit your site, then they leave your site, then they browse other websites. When they're doing this, they're seeing your banners. So when they're checking the movies or the weather or the news, all those things, they're seeing your ads. Eventually, when they're ready to convert, they click on your ad, they come back to your site and they convert. And so that's what remarketing does. All these pieces put together hit on 3 areas here. We hit on your potential customers when they're searching, which is on Google and Bing over here. So when they search, they're seeing you at top. That's the top placement ads. That puts you on top for your best keywords. And they're also seeing you in the organic listings, which is down the page a minute. And that's what we're doing here with the natural listing ads. This is the SEO part of the campaign. So that's, really important. When they're searching, you're visible and you're there. Next, we're hitting them when they browse. So when they're browsing, now they've searched, they found you, they clicked on you, and they left your site. Now, as they browse the internet, they see your ad on various websites. This is building trust and credibility for you. And eventually, when they're ready to convert, they'll click this ad and they'll come back to your site and they will convert. And then last, we're getting them when they share. So when they're on social media, when they're on Facebook and Twitter and Google+, they're seeing your branding as well. So we get them when they search, when they browse, and when they share. All these things together is bringing back qualified traffic to your website to convert at a later date. And so these things put together are helping this occur, this conversion rate to increase over time. Now, spearheading this whole campaign, you have a dedicated marketing executive and a dedicated marketing team. You have a marketing executive that works with designers, developers, and optimizers that work for you. It's literally your marketing and design department for your business. Full service, it's taking care of this on a daily basis. We also take care of other marketing capabilities. If you need them, we can take care of email marketing, SMS marketing, public relations, radio ads, video advertising. If you can think it, we can do it. But this is our core inbound marketing solution. Watch the videos in these different areas to really gain a good understanding of how we do those pieces of the pie. Thanks.